It's the Ramen Raider coming at you once again for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com and check out the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. And this was in one of their boxes, the shrimp creamy tom yum instant from Thailand, of all places. Of course, the tom yum's from Thailand. Well, they have it in other places too. But it comes in a little plastic bowl. It comes with a fork. I don't use it a fork, but we have a vegetable, oily oil, powder, and a noodle block. Wow, we're going crazy here, ladies and gentlemen. I need a fork. No, I don't need a fork. I need a pair of scissors. That's exactly what I need. I think some people like to reuse these little bowls. They're actually a good size. And I think I might do the whole thing in this bowl. I've got another bowl that I've got picked out, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this bowl. That's kind of fun, right? You like that? So, yeah. Here's the powder base. I got a whole bunch of noodles recently in multi-packs, and like, well, I'm not gonna eat the rest of these because the most I'll ever use in reviewing is like 2 packs, one to do up and then a freshie for when I do the show, right? Well, you know what I've been doing on my diet and junk? I've been like using the seasoning sachets to season popcorn, and I gotta say, it's quite, I can be emphatic, it's rad. It's rad. I enjoy it thoroughly. I've got a duck one I could try too. I haven't tried that yet. Okay, let's see if we can do this without making an enormous gargantuan mess. Where's that line? Where's the line? Right there. Yeah, that's hard to see. Right about there, huh? Okay. Ooh, there. Right? I think I hit the line. Just on the money right there. I believe this is a 3 to 4 minutes, so we'll go for 4 and see what happens. It could be a 4 to 5, but I'm not gonna mess around. All right, so we got our little, check that thing out. It's this little bowl, little plastic bowl, steeping away here at the world headquarters of the Ramen Raider. Let's do our quote of the day. So it's that Momofuku Endo speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Let's see, number 67. A relationship neither too close nor too far proves enduring. And number 68. Do not waste a penny, but spend lavishly on worthwhile purposes. Okay. And back into the freezer bag, our fine tome of instant noodle wisdom goes. I just got a bunch of noodles that you're probably going to start seeing on tomorrow's show from Taku-san over at Myojo USA. That's rad. Thank you very much. Arigato. And we'll start reviewing those because those are all fresh. Got a couple of yakisobas. One's a savory miso yakisoba. There's a sauce yakisoba. There's a cold soy sauce noodle, which it's like, I'm so far ahead. This episode's gonna come out like mid-October. I feel like I should like push that one ahead. I mean, come on. Soy sauce, cold noodle, that's summer, and it's summer right now. It's July 22nd, which is a holiday. This is my wife and I's 11-year and 7 months talk-iversary. I think the first time we spoke to each other on the phone was about 9 hours from now, 8 hours from now. And we talked for like 4 hours, 4.5 hours. And then that was December 22nd, 2009. And then, yeah, we talked a lot. And then we talked again, and then again. I think Christmas Eve, we talked for like 14 hours. She was down in California, I was up north of Seattle. And yeah, pretty cool. But yes. Every day is a holiday at the house of the Ramen. If not, then you get really bored really quick. Always something to celebrate. And I don't want to listen to the song anymore. It's not really all that good. Come on. What's this one? No. Now it's what? Now we're in college. Is that the deal? Anyways, we're almost done with this one. We got 20 seconds to go. Less than that, we're down to 15. Yeah, it's nice weather out today. Although we've gotten a little bit of rain lately. We don't get those 100-degree days anymore. That's pretty good. I'm happy about that. I think right now, what is it, 1 p.m. West Coast time. Here we are. Okay. I think this is a little fork. I like the little forks better. Wow, and I'm going to tell you right now, this did not work out as well as I expected. Usually when you steep a noodle in the bowl that it came with, usually it does pretty good, but this did not suck through all noodle. Although this stir should make things a bit better. And it's leaving quite a mess on the side of the bowl. I think I'm just gonna have to go and bite the bullet and put it in something else. No, I'm gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl. But I'm seeing little bits. Here's some, let's see how this came out at least. Some crab stick. Oh. Very chewy. Here's the noodle. Done-ish. And the broth. Here's our broth. Broth definitely looks the part, and the flavor is quite on point. That I like. So really, this could just use a little bit more hang time and it'd be just fine, I think. But I don't know. It's such a dirty looking bowl now. Ah. let's do stuff and things and stuff. Let's there. 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 A bit of that. Oh. So I mentioned the last one that I did in yesterday's episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time that my wife would be trying that noodle, possibly having it for lunch. And as it turns out, she was all right with it. She said the noodles were a little mushier than she likes. I gave it about a 3 out of 5. That's not great, but not absolutely horrible. Borderline crummy. Okay, let's see. What else are we throwing in here? Some pepper flake. That's Thai basil out of our garden. If you can see it. I think you can see it. A little sesame seed. And we're going to do a little bit of fried onion garnish. Everybody likes a little bit of garnish. I like this track. This is like one of my favorite ones that I got this recent time when I got new music for the show. You know, I know it really doesn't belong, but I'm adding spring onion. I'm just going to do it really quick. Trust in that that's what I'm doing, okay? That's exactly what I'm doing right now. That was a serious, like, ka-chunk of spring onion. I think I got some in my shoe. Holy God. No, maybe not. No, it just bounced out on the floor. I'm picking it up right now. And there we are. So, I went with the that end of it. I thought the that end would work better. Maybe a little more. Maybe that green part. Am I pushing it? I don't care. I don't care. There we go. See? There's nice little bits and pieces, and there's like thicker pieces, and we got a little bit of a thing going on here. Oh, look at this. Right about there. What else can we put on there? I don't know what else. I think we're gonna call that a day. Maybe a little bit of shichimi on the shrimp. I think that's about all I'm getting out of this one. The only thing I could have added, I think, would maybe be some citrus or some oil. I don't know what oil that I want to put with this, so. There you go. All right. episode of the day for me here, so I am done, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, all that crap. If you don't wanna, don't do it, but you should, because when you do, you're a better person for doing it. And when you're a better person, you know, everybody benefits. You know, you have to think about the cost-benefit analysis, and just by clicking something with your finger makes me happy. So click with your finger. Because if you make me happy, that's nice. It's nice. So watch out for things falling from up above. Don't bump your head like on this cabinet here. I bump my head on that cabinet so many times, and I make sure to keep that cabinet door closed. Keep all your cabinet doors shut when you're not in your cabinet. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.